Yo, Earth to Eric? You good, man?
Huh? Oh, yeah, I'm fine. Just tired.
Dude, you look like you haven't slept in a week. What's going on?
Nothing. Just a lot on my mind.
Be honest. Is it work stress, or is it girl problems? Ah, knew it! It's girl problems, isn't it?
It's complicated.
Alright, let me guess. She found someone new, and now you're here. Looking like a rejected puppy. Bro, that's rough.
Thanks, bro. That really helps.
Eric, how's that report coming along?
Almost done. Just need a little more time.
Man, you better snap out of it before you get fired.
Lily, I swear, your brother has barely spoken a word these past few days. What's going on with him?
Oh, he's fine. Just going through his mysterious loner phase again.
Mysterious loner? He's barely leaving his room, barely eating. And he looks like he hasn't slept in days. That's not normal.
He's just being dramatic.
Lily. Spill it. What's going on with your brother?
Well, it's a love story, Mom. A very tragic one.
A love story? Wait, does Eric have a girlfriend?
No, Mom. That would actually require him to talk to girls like a normal person.
So, what happened then? Why is he acting like he just lost the love of his life?
Because in his mind, he did.
What?
It's complicated, Mom. But let's just say, he messed up. Big time.
If he messed up, why doesn't he just fix it?
Because he thinks he's beyond saving.
That boy. Eric, honey, are you sure you're okay? You seem off.
I'm fine, Mom. Just tired.
More like emotionally exhausted.
He really is a lost cause, huh?
Nah, he's just an idiot in love.
Well, look who it is. Haven't seen you in a while, Eric.
Oh, hey, Ryan.
Thought you might have gone into hiding after the party. That was quite a scene.
Yeah. I know. I was a complete idiot. Look, Ryan. I just want to say I'm sorry. The way I treated you at the party. I was way out of line.
Hey, don't worry about it. I've dealt with worse. Besides, I get it. I was young once too. But I'm not the one you should really be apologizing to.
I already did. She won't even look at me now.
Well, can you blame her? You basically called her a shallow flirt in front of everyone.
Yeah. I know. I was an idiot. I heard. You and Kate have been spending a lot of time together lately.
Ha! Oh, you mean at work?
Look, I won't get in the way. If that's her choice, I respect it. She deserves to be happy.
Whoa, hold on. You think I'm dating Kate?
Aren't you?
Man, you really are clueless. Yeah, I was interested in her before. But she shot me down real fast. Trust me, she's not the type to beat around the bush. If she wanted to be with me, I'd know it by now.
She rejected you?
Yup. And honestly, I respect her even more for it. She knows what she wants.
I really am an idiot, aren't I?
I mean, yeah, pretty much. But it's not too late to stop being one. And dude, seriously, stop assuming every little thing Kate does is because of a guy. It makes you look desperate.
I've been such an idiot. All this time, I thought she was moving on because of someone else. But the truth is, she's just living her life. Becoming the person she wants to be. And I was the one holding her back. Pushing my own insecurities onto her. But I don't want to lose her. I don't want to be the reason she feels pressured or unhappy. If I really care about her, then I have to respect her choices. Support her, no matter what they are. I won't push her. I won't rush her. If she ever wants me back in her life, I'll be there. Until then, I'll just be there for her. In whatever way she needs.
Here, take this.
Huh? What's this?
Painkillers. You look like you need them.
And you just happen to have this?
Let's just say, someone who cares about you wanted to make sure you're okay.
Lily? What are you doing here?
Special delivery. Thought you could use some comfort food and a little treat.
You really didn't have to do this. Thank you, Lily. I hope you didn't spend too much on all this.
Oh, don't worry. I didn't buy them.
Wait, then who?
Just eat and get some rest, okay? See you later, Kate.
Could it be Eric?
She keeps saying she'll fix this. But it's been months. At this rate, a strong wind will blow it down.
Wait a second. Did the wind fix this? Weird. Maybe the landlord finally did something useful for once. Lately, it feels like someone's been looking out for me. The medicine at work, the food delivery, the fixed fence. Could it really be Eric? He does know all my little quirks. But why would he go through all this trouble?
Seriously, Lily, did you remember to tell the restaurant no peanuts? Kate's allergic, you know.
Yes, I got it. No peanuts, extra sauce, medium spice level. Eric, I've done this like 5 times now.
And make sure it's warm when you give it to her. She doesn't like eating cold food unless it's sushi.
Yeah, got it. Anything else, Your Highness?
Just make sure she actually eats. I know how she is when she's sick. She'll say she's fine and then skip meals.
Wow. You sound like a worried husband.
Oh, shut up.
He still remembers all of it? After all this time?
Hey, Kate. Long day, right?
Yeah, tell me about it. Feels like this week has been never ending.
I hear you. Fridays can't come fast enough. By the way, where's your boyfriend? Haven't seen him around lately.
Boyfriend? What are you talking about?
You know, the tall guy who used to pick you up all the time. Blonde hair, kinda broody looking, but super cute. You guys were adorable.
Oh. No. He's not my boyfriend. Eric and I are just neighbors. We've been friends forever.
Really? 'Cause from what I saw, he sure acted like one. I mean, the way you guys talked. The way he waited for you even when you worked late. It was kinda sweet. Anyway, I'll see you Monday. Have a good one.
We looked like a couple? No way. That's ridiculous. Right? But he really did wait for me after work. No matter how late. Is that really something just a neighbor would do?
Hey, long time no see. Just you today?
Yeah, just me.
Haven't seen that tall blonde friend of yours lately. You two used to come in all the time.
Oh, yeah. Eric. We've both been busy, I guess.
Man, that guy knew your coffee order better than you did. Every single time. Medium roast, a splash of oat milk. And exactly 2 pumps of caramel syrup. Never more, never less.
He really did, huh?
And get this? He used to ask me to set aside a slice of our cheesecake for you. Just in case we ran out before you got here?
He did that?
Yup. Every single time. Said you'd pretend like you didn't care if it was gone. But he knew you'd be secretly disappointed.
Sounds like him.
Lucky you. Looks like someone left this behind.
Man, that's real friendship right there. I'd kill to have a friend like that.
Yeah, me too. Why does he keep coming up today? First at work, now here. It's just coffee. Just cheesecake. Just silly little things. But I miss them.
Hi, I'm Emma. and I'm here to help you improve your English conversation skills. If you want to practice more English dialogues, remember to subscribe to my channel.